in the island. I'm living the island. So I say goodbye to La Palma here. Here we say goodbye to La Palma. We are leaving the island. Masks are mandatory on the board, and destination is Tenerife, of course. We will be there 2 days before we go to Iceland via Rome, and so I have stayed 10 nights on La Palma, which is pretty significant and very long time. Was worth it. Was worth it. I don't regret. I came here and see Christmas tree on the boat. It's a great service here. We bought some pizza and cakes, and we are sailing to Tenerife. It was raining outside when I returned the car. So here is our seat. You see, it's pizza. Nina. So we are enjoying our time here on the boat, and we are enjoying our time here on the boat, and very soon we will arrive in Tenerife. Beautiful boat, you see, amazing. Ladies and gentlemen,
on behalf of Olsen Express, would like to welcome you on board at our Bencomo Express. We remind
Bencomo Express, this is the name of the boat.
Which you can exchange for trips, stays at hotels.
Here a last glimpse of La Palma Island. Over there I fly drone about Santa Cruz, about the city. You will see before I left, before I got on the boat, you will see it in great detail. Amazing footage, drone footage from Santa Cruz. Super successful flight, and I hope you will enjoy this. You will see Santa Cruz as you haven't seen it before, and it's like many people have half of the boat. And now I don't see as many military or police as before. Seems like they travel less to La Palma, and things seems like things are back to normal. You know, like Christmas mood. Yes, so see, ferry is leaving right now. Fred Olsen Express, Bencomo Express. See, shop just opened now, and that's how it is. Merry Christmas, upcoming holidays. Felices fiestas. Wish you all the best. Be well. is a ferry from La Palma Island to Tenerife. Fred Olsen Ferry.